What's going on, everyone? Mr. Tightlines here. I kind of forgot to make an intro to the video you're about ready to watch, and well, here I am. It's getting ready to rain, so I'm going to make this real quick. I head out and I catch a 6-pounder on my own homemade bait made out of cedar, and the feeling was great. It was epic. I'm not going to do too much fancy editing, just going to get to the point on this video. But in this one, it's pretty funny. There's some swimmers that are coming from the launch, and they're headed to these rocks I was headed toward. And my number one spot I wanted to hit on this water source was this pile of rocks. I'm almost to the rocks, and I'm hearing them getting closer and getting closer, and I realize, oh dang, they're gonna take a break on the rocks. They must do this all the time. So I realize this, and I quickly paddle forward, and I get a couple casts in on the rocks just before they show up, and I put it between these two buoys, and I caught the best yet on my own creation. 6 pounds, 4 ounces. Let's check it out. Come on. There we go. Stay down. Still on? Still on. It's a good fish. That's a good fish. Oh, that's a donkey. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's a donkey. Yes! Oh, that's a big one. That's a big fish. Oh, yes. Oh man, that is a big, big fish. There we go. Oh. There it is, total donkey on my crawler. Absolute beast of a fish. Oh my goodness. That's got to be at least 5-6 pounds. I gotta weigh it. What a tank. Oh my goodness. All right. Oh. £6, 3 ounces. Excellent. Yes, I finally broke the 6-pound mark this year, and on my own dang bait. Oh, that is so epic. 21.5 inches long. Beautiful, beautiful bass. Here, I'll give you some air. Oh, freaking sweet. Give it one more weight, just to make sure I'm not screwing myself out of any ounces. 6 pounds, 4 ounces. Beautiful. So yeah, 6 pounds, 4 ounces. 21.5 inches long on my own homemade bait. Off she goes. Overhand swimming? Overhand swimming? Yeah, sure. There we go. Another nice fish. Come on. Yeah, you're a nice one. Nice fish. Decent largemouth. Huh? This rain's starting to come down. Got a nice largemouth here. About 17 and a half. Getting a little rain going on, but we're gonna get her back in. Oh, we'll get a weight real quick. It's gonna be 214, just under 3 probably. 212. Nice fish. Back she goes. Oh, that was a huge hit. I wonder how big that fish is. That is a big hit. Come on. That could be a small fish, but it slapped its tail around something fierce. Oh no, that's a good one. Not bad. Oh, it spit it. That was like a 4-pounder. No. Oh. Oh. That hurts. Dang. Dang. Oh my God. Oh my God. I was yanking it in. That was another 4-5. Holy cow. There we go. That's small. There we go. Oh, small fish. All right, it's about 2 1/4, maybe 2 1/2. Good little fish. Nice bite, nice hit. Get out of here. There we go. Little guy. Oh, he spit it. It was just a little one. a little one. Little guy. What an adventure that was. I caught my personal best, let's see here, how do I say this? Caught the best one on my crawler I've caught yet, 6 pounds, 4 ounces. Awesome feeling, awesome day. It's getting really windy, really rainy, and that's it. I'm heading home. I'm gonna get some dinner on the way. I don't even know if you can see me. It's starting to get all wet. Please like, comment, subscribe, all the amazing things, and remember, until next time, keep those lines tight.